Hello everyone and welcome to our pitch for S3, the student support system that's a one-stop solution for all student needs. Sometimes figuring out what you want to do, what your dreams and aspirations are, can be very difficult. On top of that, how do you know that you're choosing the right option? Whether it's that university that you just got a scholarship for, or a job that you just got an offer for, choosing the right option is a huge, monumental task. But even if you go out to the internet and look for answers to all your confusions, the resources available are often scattered across, with no cohesion in anything that you're coming across. So then the question becomes, what can we do about a problem that's this big, faced by millions, if not billions of students across the world? Well, we bring you the solution that we call S3. S3 is here to be a hub for every single student at any point of their life in their learning careers, whether they're in middle school, whether they're in high school, universities, whether they're just starting off in their professional careers, or even beyond that. S3 is there to provide access to various scholarships, workshops, conferences, career counseling, academic counseling, and much more. Now, why is S3 better than any other thing that's out there? Well, to begin with, there are four main pillars that we ensured for our solution. Number one, S3 is supposed to be a single-stop solution, meaning that once you've asked S3 for any sort of assistance you need, S3 will guide you through and through, not just for that particular problem, but any other concern that you may have in the future in perpetuity. S3 is also very intuitive, in the sense that it does not rely on having students figuring out the navigation process. It's intuitive to the point where using natural language processing, we're able to understand exactly what the student is looking for and guide them accordingly. Additionally, S3 is accessible to anyone, anywhere, across the world. All they need is just an internet connection. And finally, to ensure that no student is ever left behind, S3 is made to be completely free forever. What is the magic sauce that powers S3? Well, for us, we implemented two different AI techniques. The first one was natural language processing, which allows us to understand each and every word that our students are sending us through their messages and process them accordingly in a way where we most effectively understand what they're trying to ask for, and then using our personalized recommendation engine, give them an individual response personalized to exactly what they need. And all of that is made possible with a team that is dedicated and experienced in the domain of AI and has a cumulative experience of 7 years in that exact field. Now we'll showcase a demo. Here we can see that the user is actually asking for university suggestions, and S3 is actually asking for what level of education is the student looking for, and then figuring out their major as well. After finalizing the location as well as the financial aid requirement, S3 provides the user with a comprehensive list of where they could potentially apply. A second use case is actually wanting career advice. Here, the user can actually figure out if there's a specific field that they want to understand something about, and then further delve deep into what sort of roles and responsibilities await them if they choose to take up that career. And S3 is capable of much more. We're still working on its further development to enable it to have even more features. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this pitch, and I hope you all have a great day.